Hey everybody, Marcus here, resident in West Covina. I had a AC problem today and I called Mega Air and they came out right away, helped me again. I'm actually a return customer. I've been with Adam and his company for 5 years. He came out here, did a great job with my air conditioning 5 years ago, still running strong. But today I had a problem. Somebody actually came and stole my fuses out of my fuse box here with my air conditioning, and I don't know who did it, but I gave Adam a call. I always call him when I have some issues, and he's always on time, comes out right away to take a look at my issues. He immediately identified the situation, gave me a new fuse box, and advised me to lock it up so that this doesn't happen again. And every time I swear to it, Mega Clean Air is the place to be. I always call them out. They're always reliable. I trust their work, and I've had no issues with them. I'm happy with their job every single time. So if you have any issues, call up Mega Clean Air, Adam. You guys know where to look.